Tanner.
Hi, Joy. How are you?
Good. What you up to?
Oh, I'm eating treats. What are you up to?
Well, I'm taking your pictures and video.
Aren't I beautiful?
You are absolutely gorgeous.
Do you know how tall I am?
You are like, my husband said you look like a giraffe.
A giraffe?
Yes.
Well, I don't have a long neck, silly.
Well, you're kind
I've got long legs.
You really have long legs.
And I'm kind of white.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And I'm a nice boy.
I think they call you kind of cinnamon in the husky world.
Cinnamon? I like cinnamon sugar. Do you?
I do.
That's good stuff on toast.
I do. I hear somebody made blueberry buckle the other day.
And I guess it was pretty good.
Yeah.
She didn't invite anyone else to have it.
No, and she didn't bring it for lunch either.
I know. It's not nice.
It isn't very nice.
I have to fire her.
We'll work on that.
All right. So, do you think you're going to find me a home?
Yes, you're gorgeous.
Oh, and probably one without cats.
Yeah, we kind of
They're just too fun to chase.
They are.
Wouldn't you like to chase a cat?
Not really.
Oh, all right.
I don't really like to chase dogs either.
Oh. All right. We'll talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye.